getting ready to go up Mount Fuji, which is actually the highest point here in Luang Prabang. From up there, you're going to be able to see the Mekong River, and it's actually the stupa was built in the year 1804. So if you come to Luang Prabang, it's definitely a place you have to visit as well. Let's go up there and see what the views from there should be really beautiful. So that was Mount Fuji, really beautiful view from up there. And then right behind me, that is the museum here in Luang Prabang. So we had a great time here in the city center, and now we're heading back in a tuk-tuk to the Rosewood Hotel. Good morning. We are this morning here at a Buddhist temple, and we're doing Alms Giving, where the monks come, and they're not allowed to cook or anything, so people come in the mornings and bring them food. It's going to be a very nice experience, so just watch and enjoy. So this is the temple, and these are the housing units where they live. This is what we're going to be offering them. So what is this? Why are you putting this?
This is actually the symbol of like respect
to
the monk.
Symbol of respect to the monk, okay. So after the Alms Giving, we're now at the morning market, and we're just going to explore what we find here. So we just got dropped off at Long Lao village, and we're going to hike to the waterfall now. So we're walking through the village right now, and basically just getting ready to go into the forest. The people here are called the Hmong Mao people, and they actually moved down here from the higher hills. The government made them move down here because they had a reputation of growing a lot of opium. So that's why the government relocated them basically to this part of the forest, which is lower down from the mountain. We're going to be hiking for 3 hours to see the waterfall. I hope it's a beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, very, very beautiful.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going down a pretty steep bank right now, and then it's just going to be flat. We're going uphill the whole time, and the bad thing is that it's starting to rain. So we've been hiking for about 2 hours, and we came to this spot here where we see a couple of Buddhas or a Buddha. So this is the cave that is now closed ever since the pandemic, but normally one would be able to visit this cave. So when they're going to reopen it?
Soon.
Soon? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
You okay?
Are you okay?
Cold.
Yeah, it is really cold.
Okay, I didn't make it. Well, that was embarrassing. But hey, at least I tried. So I'm all wet now, and we have about another half an hour to go down to the waterfall. I'm refreshed though. And we are finishing our trek with complete Rosewood hospitality. Look what they've done for us. All right, we are going on a Mekong river cruise, also arranged by the Rosewood Hotel.
So, Sabadi.
Sabadi.
My name is Ban.
Well, we're definitely being spoiled here. Just got our dinner served, which looks phenomenal. Look at this.